Welcome back. This is script 3 of 6 in our series on prompt engineering. Today we're covering chain of thought prompting, breaking complex problems into steps. Have you ever asked a friend how they solved a tough problem and they just blurt out the answer? Oh, the solution is 42. Great. Thanks. But how did you get there? Well, AI can be just like that friend sometimes, giving you answers without showing its work. Chain of thought prompting is basically you saying, "Show your work, please." It's like when your math teacher wouldn't give you full credit unless you wrote out all the steps. Remember those days? The answer isn't enough. Timmy, I need to see how you got there. Well, now you're the teacher, and the AI is your somewhat brilliant but explanation-challenged student. So what exactly is chain of thought prompting? It's a technique where you explicitly ask the AI to break down its thinking process into step-by-step reasoning before arriving at a final answer. Instead of just asking, "What's 27 times 45?" you might say, "Calculate 27 times 45 and walk through your process step by step." And why is this useful? Well, for one thing, it's way more accurate. Turns out AI models, just like humans after too many cups of coffee, can make careless mistakes when they rush. By forcing them to slow down and think step by step, you reduce those errors dramatically. Let me give you a real example. Say you're planning a dinner party for 8 people. You could ask the AI, "How much food should I buy?" But that's like asking a teenager what time they'll be home. You'll get a vague answer that won't help much. Instead, try this. "I'm planning dinner for 8 adults. Can you help me calculate how much food to buy by first determining approximate portions per person, then multiplying by guest count, and finally adding a buffer for leftovers?" See what I did there? I essentially created a roadmap for the AI to follow. Determine portions, multiply by guests, add buffer. It's like giving someone directions that include all the turns instead of just showing them the destination on a map. The beauty of chain of thought is that it's not just for math problems or shopping lists. It works brilliantly for ethical dilemmas, creative writing, business decisions, basically anything complex that benefits from methodical thinking. Here's a pro tip. You can actually use the phrase, "Let's think about this step by step," in your prompts. It's like a magic spell that tells the AI, "Hey, slow down there, speed racer. Let's take the scenic route." Research shows this simple phrase alone can improve accuracy by up to 20%. That's like getting a free grade bump just for asking nicely. Another approach is to use few-shot examples where you demonstrate the step-by-step reasoning you want to see. It's like showing someone how to fold a fitted sheet properly before asking them to do it themselves. So next time you're facing a complex problem, remember, don't just ask for the destination, ask for the journey. Break it down, step by step, and watch as your AI companion becomes not just smarter, but more transparent and trustworthy too. This was script 3 of 6. For more information and to continue learning, visit dmpgh.com. That's dmpgh.com. Thanks for watching, and keep growing that brain.